Hi, welcome to Aduri Group. Aduri Group is developing a prestigious project for health and wealth creation as a Aduri's Golden Heights Health Village, a wellness center at Balanagar near Shadnagar. This project is just 2.5 km from Bangalore National Highway and is adjacent to upcoming regional ring road. This project is developing within 75 acres and having total 580 plots with the sizes minimum 150 to maximum 500 square yards, and the project will be extended up to 150 acres in future. This project is approved by MUDA and RERA approval. Project highlights: Golden Heights Health Village is developing with 51 plus amenities, grand entrance arch, compound wall, 60, 40 and 30 feet CC roads, avenue plantation, landscaped parks, children's play area, underground drainage system, underground electricity, solar street lights, fruit plantation in open plots, ample car parking, EV charging, overhead water tanks, rain harvesting pits, curbing stone with footpath, amphitheater, jogging tracks, Miyawaki forest, outdoor meditation area, outdoor party area, Goshala, outdoor camping tents, wellness center with Ayurvedic Arogyashala, Prakriti Arogyashala, luxurious clubhouse, senior citizen wellness center. Luxurious clubhouse is having welcome lounge, banquet hall, business center, meeting rooms, suite rooms and guest rooms, swimming pool, rain dance area, indoor games. Senior citizen wellness center is having doctor's consultation room, multi-purpose hall, indoor games, healthcare center, senior citizen accommodation with attached washrooms and along with safety railings, on-site emergency ambulance facilities. Ayurvedic Arogyashala is having doctor consultation, Panchakarma, Shirodhara, Tarpanam, Abhyanganam, reflexology pathway. Prakriti Arogyashala is having reception, dining